Hi children, welcome back to your maths class. Last day we studied about arithmetic sequence, its common difference and its algebraic expression. Today we are going to study about sum of n terms of an arithmetic sequence. How can we find the sum of n terms of an arithmetic sequence?
Let f be the first term of an arithmetic sequence. D be the common difference. And n be the number of terms of an arithmetic sequence. N be the number of terms of an arithmetic sequence. Then the sum of n terms of this arithmetic sequence is given by the formula Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2f plus n minus 1 into d. Where Sn denotes the sum of n terms of the sequence. It is n by 2 into 2f plus n minus 1 into d. Also, if the first term and the last terms are given, then we can use another formula. Sn is equal to n by 2 into f plus xn, or Sn is equal to n by 2 into x1 plus xn, where x1 is the first term and xn is the last term of the sequence. Now write a question. Find the sum of find the sum of 25 terms of an arithmetic sequence. Twelve, 23, 34, etc. Question number 1. Find the sum of 25 terms of an arithmetic sequence 12, 23, 34, etc. Clearly we have the first term f is equal to 12 and the common difference d equal 23 minus is equal to 11. Now here n is equal to 25. That is, we want to find the sum of 25 terms of this sequence. Sum of 25 terms of this sequence, we can represent it by S25. S25 is equal to, we have the formula n by 2 into 2f plus n minus 1 into d. That is equal to 25 by 2 into 2 into first term 12, 2 into 12 plus n is 25, that is 25 minus 1 into d. D is 11. This is equal to 25 by 2 into 2 into 12, 24. 24 plus 24 into 11. This is equal to 25 by 2 into 24 plus 24 into 11. It is 264. So this is equal to 25 by 2 into 288. We can cancel 2 and 288 are cancel, is 144. So 25 into 144 is equal to 3600. That is, sum of 25 terms of this sequence is 3600. We find the sum using the formula n by 2 into 2f plus n minus 1 into d. Next question. Question number 2. What is the difference? What is the difference between the sum of the first 20 terms and the next 20 terms of the arithmetic sequence 6, 10, 14, etc. What is the difference between the sum of the first 20 terms and the next 20 terms of the arithmetic sequence 6, 10, 14, etc. Here, first term f is equal to 6 and the common difference d equal 10 minus 6 equal. And first we are going to find the sum of the first 20 terms of this sequence. S20, that is S20. S20 is equal to, we have the formula n by 2 into 2f plus n minus 1 into d. This is equal to 20 by 2 into 2 into 6 plus 20 minus 1 into 4. This is equal to 10 into 2 into 6, 12, 12 plus 19 into 4. That is equal to 10 into 12 plus 19 into 4. 76. That is equal to 10 into 88. That is equal to 880. This is the sum of the first 20 terms. Now we are going to find sum of the first 40 terms, that is S40. That is equal to n by 2 into 2f plus n minus 1 into d. This is equal to, here n is 40. So 40 by 2 into 2 into f, 6 plus 40 minus 1 into d. D is 4. This is equal to 20 into 12 plus 39 into 4. This is equal to 20 into 12 plus 156. That is equal to 20 into 12 plus 156. That is 168. That is equal to 3360. This is the sum of the first 40 terms. Now we find sum of first 20 terms and sum of first 40 terms. Here we want to find the difference between the sum of the first 20 terms and the next 20 terms of this sequence. For that, we want to find sum of next 20 terms. That is, we want to find the sum of next 20 terms. It can be calculated by S40 minus S20. That is sum of first 40 terms minus sum of first 20 terms. That is equal to 3360 minus 880 is equal to 2480. Now the difference between the sum. Difference between the sum is 2480 minus 880 is equal to 1600. This is the difference between the sum of the first 20 terms and the next 20 terms of this sequence. Next question. Find the sum of, question number 3. Find the sum of all 3-digit numbers which are multiples of 9. Find the sum of all 3-digit numbers which are multiples of 9. Clearly we know that the 3-digit numbers which are multiples of 9 are 108, 117, etc. The last number is 990. Here we know the first term and the last term. So we can use the formula Sn is equal to n by 2 into first term plus last term. We have two formulas for finding the sum of n natural n terms. Here we can use this formula n by 2 into x1 plus xn, but n is not given here. So first we want to find n. For finding n, we have a formula n is equal to xn minus f divided by d plus 1. That is equal to, here xn is 900, last term, that is 999 divided minus first term 108 divided by d. Here d is 9 plus 1. This is equal to 999 minus 180 is 891 divided by 9 plus 1. That is equal to 99 plus 1 is equal to 100. That is, there are 100 terms in this sequence. Here first term is 108 and the last term xn is 999. Now we can find the sum. Sn that is x100 is equal to n by 2. N is 100. 100 by 2 into first term 108. 108 plus 9. Last term 999. This is equal to 50 into 150 into 107. That is equal to 50 into 1107 is equal to 55,350. This is the sum of this is the sum of all 3-digit numbers which are the multiples of 9. Next question. Calculate the sum of the series. Calculate the sum of the series. 51 plus 52 plus 53 plus etc. plus 7. Calculate the sum of the series 51 plus 52 plus 53 plus etc. plus 70. Here the first term is 51 and the last term, first term x1 or f is equal to 51 and the last term xn is equal to 70. Here also we can use the formula Sn is equal to n by 2 into first term plus last term. But n is not given in the question. N we want to find it. Using the formula n is equal to xn minus f by d plus 1. We can find the value of n. Xn is 70. 70 minus first term 51 divided by d. Here d is equal to 1 plus 1. That is equal to 19 by 1 plus 1. That is 19 plus 1 is equal to 20. That is, there are 20 terms in this sequence. Now Sn is S20. That is, S20 is equal to 20 by 2 into first term 51. 51 plus last term 70. That is equal to 10 into 51 plus 70. That is 121. That is equal to 1210. This is the sum of 20 terms of this sequence 51, 52, 53, etc. 7. Next question, question number 5. The expression for the sum to n terms of an arithmetic sequence is given below. Find the expression for the nth term of the expression for the nth term. The expression for the sum of n terms of an arithmetic sequence is given below. Find the expression for the nth term, or we want to write the algebraic expression. And the sum of the expression for the sum to n terms Sn is equal to n square plus 2n. Here in the question we want to write the nth term or the algebraic expression. We know that the algebraic expression of an arithmetic sequence xn is equal to f plus n minus 1 into d. That is, you have to find the first term and the common difference. Here the first term is not given and the common difference is also not given. We can find it. From Sn is equal to n square plus 2n. Then S1 is 1 square plus 2 into 1. That is 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. This is S1, sum of first term. Or we can write the first term f is equal to 3. Now S2, sum of first two terms. S2 is 2 square plus 2 into 2. That is 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. This is sum of first two terms. S2 is 8 and S1 is 3. Now we can write x2, that is the second term, s2 minus s1, that is 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. This is x2, second term. First term is 3, second term is 5. Now the common difference d equal x2 minus x1 or f, that is 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. Common difference is 2 and the first term is 3. Now we can write the algebraic expression or the nth term xn. Xn is equal to f plus n minus 1 into d. That is f is 3. That is 3 plus n minus 1 into d. d is 2. That is equal to 3 plus 2n minus 2. That is equal to 2n plus 1. 2n plus 1 is the expression for the nth term or algebraic expression of this sequence. These are the different types of questions relating sum of n terms of an arithmetic sequence.
Thus today we studied how can we find the sum of n terms of an arithmetic sequence. So you do the given homework and practice the portions we have done in the class. Okay, bye. We will meet in the next class.